Maria Salomia Sklodowska, born the 7th of November 1867 at Warsaw, Congress, Poland, Russian Empire. Died the 4th of July 1934, aged 66, in Passy, Rhône Alps, France. Cause of death aplastic anemia, citizenship France, naturalized in 1895. Alma Mater University of Paris, known for discovering polonium and radium. Researching radioactivity, spouse Pierre Curie, 1895 to 1906. Marie Curie, a Polish and naturalized French physicist and chemist who conducted pioneering research on radioactivity. Marie Curie is credited with the invention of mobile X-ray units during World War I. She also paved the way for radiation therapy, a technique where radiation is used to shrink tumors and destroy cancer cells. Marie Sklodowska-Curie. The first woman to win a Nobel Prize was Marie Sklodowska-Curie, who won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903 with her husband, Pierre Curie, and Henri Becquerel. Curie is also the first person and the only woman to have won multiple Nobel Prizes. In 1911, she won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry. The International Committee of the Red Cross, ICRC, has won the Nobel Peace Prize 3 times, in 1917, 1944, and 1963. The ICRC is the only recipient to have won the Nobel Peace Prize this many times. In 1917, the ICRC was recognized for establishing the International Prisoner of War Agency. This agency provided relief to soldiers captured by enemy forces and helped prisoners communicate with their families. The ICRC was also recognized for transporting wounded soldiers to their home countries via neutral Switzerland. In 1944, the ICRC was recognized for its work on behalf of humanity during the First and Second World War. 1963, the ICRC was recognized for its work on the revised Geneva Convention of 1949. The ICRC was also recognized for its work during conflicts in Hungary, Algeria, the Congo, and Tibet. The ICRC shared the 1963 prize with the League of Red Cross Societies. Albert Einstein, born March 14, 1879, Ulm, Württemberg, Germany, died April 18, 1955, Princeton, New Jersey, US, was a German-born physicist who developed the special and general theories of relativity and won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921 for his explanation of the photoelectric effect. Albert Einstein. The Nobel Prize in Physics 1921 was awarded to Albert Einstein for his services to theoretical physics, and especially for his discovery of the law of the photoelectric effect. Albert Einstein received his Nobel Prize 1 year later, in 1922. During the selection process in 1921, the Nobel Committee for Physics decided that none of the year's nominations met the criteria as outlined in the will of Alfred Nobel. According to the Nobel Foundation statutes, the Nobel Prize can in such a case be reserved until the following year, and this statute was then applied. Albert Einstein therefore received his Nobel Prize for 1921 1 year later, in 1922. Werner Karl Heisenberg was a German theoretical physicist, one of the main pioneers of the theory of quantum mechanics and a principal scientist in the Nazi nuclear weapons program during World War II. He published his Umdeutung paper in 1925, a major reinterpretation of old quantum theory. Heisenberg was a German physicist and philosopher who lived from 1901 to 1976. He was also involved in planning the first West German nuclear reactor. His work on atomic research during World War. Werner Heisenberg won the 1933 Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on quantum mechanics. He was originally nominated for the 1932 prize, but it was reserved until the following year. Alexander Fleming, born August 6, 1881, Lockfield Farm, Dowell, Ayrshire, Scotland, died March 11, 1955, London, England, was a Scottish bacteriologist best known for his discovery of penicillin. Fleming had a genius for technical ingenuity and original observation. Fleming was recognized for that achievement in 1945, when he received the Nobel Prize for Physiology or Medicine, along with Australian pathologist Howard Walter Florey and German-born British biochemist Ernest Boris Chain, both of whom are isolated and purified penicillin. Hermann Joseph Muller was born in New York City on December 21, 1890. His grandparents on his father's sides were of artisan and professional background and, though at first Catholics, had emigrated from the Rhineland during the wave of reaction of 1848 to see the greater freedom of America. In 1946, Muller was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for the discovery that mutations can be induced by X-rays. Genetics, and especially the physical and physiological nature of the gene, was becoming a central topic in biology, and X-ray mutagenesis was a key to many recent advances. In the mid to late 1940s, scientists began to suspect that the molecules that are responsible for heredity were not proteins, but in fact DNA, short for deoxyribonucleic acid. But how could a molecule long considered to be simple and inert hold the secret of life? The Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1962 was awarded to James Watson, Francis Crick, and Maurice Wilkins for their discovery of the molecular structure of DNA, which helped solve one of the most important of all biological riddles. James Watson, Francis Crick, and Maurice Wilkins were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1962 for their discovery of the structure of DNA. The discovery was made in 1953. Martin Luther King Jr. born the 15th of January 1929, Atlanta, Georgia, USA. Died the 4th of April 1968, Memphis, TN, USA. Residence at the time of the award, USA. Role, leader of Southern Christian Leadership Conference. Martin Luther King dreamt that all inhabitants of the United States would be judged by their personal qualities and not by the color of their skin. In April 1968 he was murdered by a white racist. 4 years earlier, he had received the Peace Prize for his nonviolent campaign against racism. Martin Luther King Jr. won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1964 for his nonviolent fight for civil rights for Black Americans. At the time, he was the youngest person to ever receive the award. Jean-Paul Sartre, the Nobel Prize in Literature 1964. Born the 21st of June 1905, Paris, France. Died the 15th of April 1980, Paris, France. Residence at the time of the award, France. Jean-Paul Sartre studied at the École Normale Supérieure in Paris. He was a key figure in the existentialism philosophical movement, and his work has had a significant influence on 20th century sociology, postcolonial theories and general literary studies. Sartre had a lifelong, open relationship with writer, philosopher and feminist icon Simone Beauvoir. Sartre was a philosopher and playwright but also wrote novels and short stories. Through the protagonist Antoine Roquentin, his first novel Nausea, 1938, Nausea, articulates the existentialist themes of alienation, devotion and loneliness. Prize motivation for his work, which, rich in ideas and filled with the spirit of freedom and the quest for truth, has exerted a far-reaching influence on our age. Mother Teresa was the first Indian woman to win Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. She was born on August 26, 1910. Mother Teresa won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 for her work helping people in need. She was born Agnes Gongsa-Boyajiu in 1910 in Uskap, Ottoman Empire, now Skopje, North Macedonia. She died in Calcutta, India in 1997. At the age of 12, the Catholic Albanian girl Agnes Gongsa-Boyajiu heard a call. God demanded that she devote her life to him. She entered a nunnery, received an education, and was sent to Calcutta in India to be a teacher. Her new name was Teresa.